When I fly my drone over the ocean, I never know what I might see. But the most common thing to see around here are certainly dolphins. That's because the coastline between Santa Barbara and San Diego is considered one of the densest dolphin populations on the planet. It's impossible to provide an exact count, but some estimates for the total dolphin population in Southern California show that well over 500,000 dolphins can be found in this region. As a result, I tend to watch a lot of dolphins. And they can be a lot of fun, especially when it's lunchtime. But sometimes I see things that I don't quite understand. For example, when these common dolphins were feeding on this school of bait fish, I noticed many of them were attacking while swimming upside down. When hunting as a group, dolphins tend to attack from below and corral their prey near the surface of the ocean, trapping them and concentrating them into a dense ball. But unfortunately, most dolphin species have a very limited ability to move their neck and have a particularly tough time looking up. This is because their neck vertebrae are basically fused together to provide a rigid structure that is essential for stability when swimming at high speeds and when making rapid maneuvers. But it's a problem when they are swimming below their prey. But they do have more mobility when looking down. So when they attack their prey from below, they will commonly roll upside down so that they can keep their eyes locked on their targets. These anchovies never stood a chance. The ocean's pretty crazy. There's always something new to learn.